Bruno Couteau, and I am the founder of Spacelab. Spacelab is a Swiss-based company specialized in the electronic assembly. We are able to perform electronic assembly for multiple industries, for example, for space applications. Our mission is to support our customers to fulfill the requirements, the deadlines, and the quality. At Spacelab, we are able to make prototypes to low to medium volumes. The Essemtec PUMA is able to perform the assembly with a very high accuracy. Also, the jetting in one unique machine was a very important criteria for us. We can adjust the amount of solder paste quantity for each pad, and the ability to have a lot of feeders around the machine is also a very important point. We need to work especially in space application with a machine that we can trust. We can bring our user experience to the manufacturer of the machine, and the manufacturer of the machine is able to understand our needs. Essemtec has a very good support, and every time we need to find solution for a new project or a new application, Essemtec is still open to discuss. And sometimes Essemtec also take our remarks and apply these remarks for the next version of the software. So the relationship is very good between Essemtec and Spacelab.